Welcome back to Bike Extraction, the channel where we dig into the most exciting machines shaping the future of two wheels. Today, we're looking at a motorcycle that blends BMW's proud heritage with modern engineering, the 2026 BMW R12GS. The GS family has always represented adventure, but the R12GS goes one step further by reaching back into BMW's history books while still offering cutting-edge tech for the present. The question is, does this new GS live up to its legendary roots while justifying its $16,995 price tag? Let's break it down. The R12GS pays tribute to the original R80 G/S, the bike that created the adventure category back in the 1980s. BMW designers gave it a compact fairing, exposed tubular frame, and that unmistakable upright stance. Unlike some modern adventure bikes that lean heavily toward bulk and electronics, the R12GS has a stripped back, almost retro feel. It's a nod to the past, but with the confidence that it's still ready for real-world adventure. Powering the R12GS is BMW's proven 1,170 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled Boxer twin. It produces around 109 horsepower and 85 lb-ft of torque, enough to give it both highway authority and off-road grunt. While BMW has bigger and more powerful GS models in the lineup, this engine is more about character than sheer numbers. It's smooth, reliable, and offers that iconic Boxer sound and vibration that BMW fans swear by. With a claimed 0 to 60 mph time of about 4.1 seconds and a top speed over 124 mph, the R12GS isn't short on speed. But what makes it stand out is how it delivers power in real-world conditions. The broad torque curve makes low-speed off-road crawling manageable, while the gearbox and shaft drive ensure long-distance durability. It's the type of bike you can push hard on a mountain pass but also comfortably ride across continents. BMW equipped the R12GS with fully adjustable suspension tuned for enduro riding. The 45mm upside-down front fork offers 8.3 inches of travel, while the rear shock provides 7.9 inches. Add in a tall 21-inch front wheel, and you get stability and precision off-road without sacrificing road manners. Riders who choose the Enduro Package Pro get even more ground clearance and the option for an 18-inch rear wheel, making it more versatile for technical terrain. Despite its heritage-inspired design, the R12GS doesn't cut corners on tech. Standard features include ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, and 3 riding modes: rain, road, and enduro. If you want more, the Enduro Pro package unlocks the more aggressive Enduro Pro mode for serious dirt work. The bike also comes with hill start assist, cruise control, and tire pressure monitoring, making it equally at home on highways as it is on dirt trails. BMW kept the cockpit simple but functional. A standard analog gauge provides a retro touch, while an optional 3.5-inch TFT display brings full smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and media. The seating position is upright and commanding, designed for long days in the saddle. Combined with LED lighting, keyless ignition, and BMW's intelligent emergency call system, the R12GS feels like a thoughtful mix of old-school riding spirit and modern rider-focused safety. Buyers can choose from 3 finishes: night black matte as standard, or optional light white and Sand Rover matte for a more rugged look. The GS logo and details in the paintwork reinforce its adventure identity. Add-ons like the Premium Package and Enduro Package Pro allow riders to customize the bike toward either comfort touring or hardcore trail use. BMW made sure that the R12GS can be built around the rider's lifestyle instead of being a one-size-fits-all machine. At a starting price of $16,995, the 2026 R12GS sits in an interesting position. It's more affordable than the larger R1300GS, yet it carries just as much personality and heritage appeal. For riders who want something lighter, simpler, and more connected to BMW's original adventure spirit, the R12GS might actually be the smarter buy. It's not just about nostalgia. It's a motorcycle built to bridge past and present, making it one of the most compelling GS models in recent years.